Hi, good evening. Today is the 4th July 2025. Uh, Today I will going to review the today's trade by showing in the replay mode so that you can understand. So how I have taken the trade today and how you can also take the trade patiently. So nowadays I have made some small changes. So earlier what I used to do, candle by candle I used to trial immediately. So whenever a red candle or a candle are forming, then immediately I used to trial red immediately in the candle by candle. If red candle again green candle if it is making, then I used to wait to green candle become red candle. Accordingly, I will do the trialing, or else in the previous red candle top itself we used to exit. And moreover, what is the mistake? Not mistake. What is the means hurry? We earlier we used to do it. So that whenever the candle running candle itself, if it is a red candle, I used to trial the stop loss very close to the price once it is in the profit. Na? So it is little profit, small profit itself I used to exit and again trying to enter, because after exiting what will happen, again this price will move in our favor, in our direction. So once again I used to enter. Even for capturing 20 point itself I used to enter and exit for 3 to 4 times. So that actually last 4 5 months I was doing like that only. So that is what happened. One is we are not patiently waiting, number one. Number two, we are increasing the trading cost, number two. And number three, we are losing the good opportunity. We are losing clear good opportunity. So ultimately, we are due to the fear, we are exiting. For overcoming all those things, now what I decided, there is only the good method is, instead of taking too much quantity, we should keep the position sizing. So today, if I want to lose, for example, if I want to lose around 10,000 rupees, the max, that means based on the 10,000, how much we should need to take the quantity, and accordingly we can take the quantity. So that my stop loss based on the Williams Alligator rules we can follow. For example, so we can actually, as based on the Williams Alligator, what it is saying, if it is crossing the red line, that is teeth, alligator teeth, if the candle is closing above the alligator teeth, then there is no point in keeping the trade. We'll have to exit, because this may reverse, that trade may go in against your direction. So that we should not keep it. And if it is the trade is going in your favor, what we can do it, you can even keep the stop loss even alligator lip. Once it is touching the lip of the alligator, so that there is a chance of feeding to the alligator. So that is why we can, once it is the trade is in your favor, so if it is going above the alligator teeth itself, we can exit. So that is second point. Third point, if continuously 5 red candles are happening, then there is no point of taking the chance. Once 5 candles are forming in red and which is going in our direction, then immediately what we have to do it, the fifth candle, the bottom of the fifth candle top, we need to put the trailing stop loss. So again, if it is going there also, we are taking the chance. Again it is moving in our direction, then we'll have to candle by candle we'll have to trial. Then if it is reversing with a green candle, and closing above the fifth candle top, then we'll have to exit. These are all the conditions if you follow. I was backtested with previous more than 4 to 5 months. If you are following such a manner, daily we need to take maximum 3 to 4 trade, or the worst case 5 trade. More than 5 trade on any point of the time, it was not happened, number one. So we are not increasing the trading cost, number one. Number two, so we are maximizing our product, the profit probability more than 70 to 80% profit probability. Only 10 to 20% only there is a loss probability. That loss probability also, whenever we are trialing or whenever we are following that line of the alligator, means teeth as well as lip, then the minimum point only we are losing. Means minimum only we are losing. Then whenever that profit is in our direction it is going, then maximum profit we are gaining. In that way, if you see last 6 months, there are enormous profit month on month. We can make 10% of your capital, deployed capital. If you have deployed around, for example, if you want to work in the, we are only working in the sell trade only we are working. So if you want to play in our based on the strategy, so at least minimum 2.5 to 3 lakhs is required minimum. So if you are 3 lakhs, if you are deploying and following the strategy strictly, whatever today I said, based on that, if you follow with the 3 lakhs monthly, there is a chance of, means possibility of getting 25 to 30 lakhs. But whereas you should not deviate the system rules. Your psychology should accept the loss. Whenever you are making the loss, you make the loss small, and whenever you are making the profit, that profit let it run. It will let it, as per the process, let it go. So we'll have to patiently, we'll have to wait and see. So if you follow that, definitely we can able to achieve. Let us go to today's recording, how we have taken the today's trade and all. I will show you. Then we will conclude this today's this thing. So you can see here I am just replay mode I am going. First I will make a video. Today you can see here, this is the first candle. First candle opened near, you can see here around 24,411 and closed 24,440. We have what we selected. 25,440, sorry, 24 I said. So what we selected, 25,500 call and 25,400 put, both were selected. Now here, since I am recording, I am not changing the, because normally what we used to do, trade by trade based on the ATM, we used to change the strike. Here, since I am recording, I am not changing the strike. The same strike only I am giving the example. But whenever you are doing the actual trade, that time you have to take the ATM call and ATM put. Okay, so or just in the money, just in the money or out of OTM, so just in the ATM or OTM, whatever it is, you can based on your preference and based on the strike, means based on the value of the option. Okay, so now we will go to the, I am clicking the replay mode. So replay mode I am selecting. So from yesterday 15 20 candle I am selecting, and here I am putting the quantity as a 10 lot I am putting. 10 lot, for 10 lot we required near about 25 lakhs we required. For 10 lakh, taking 10 lakh without any hedging, we required near about 25 lakhs. So for example, you are assuming that you are deploying around 25 lakhs. 20 to 25 lakhs is required. You can you will assume that you will going to deploy 25 lakhs. Okay. So now I am just starting the replay. Okay. So just patiently watch. It will take, because it will take means 10 seconds one candle will form. Every 10 seconds one candle will form. So accordingly we'll have to wait for that. We'll have to patiently we'll have to see the trade where we are taking. So you can see here, this is the first means now we are in the yesterday's 325 candle and yesterday's 330 candle. In the first candle you can see here it will go to form now. This is the first candle it is forming. First candle forming, you can see here there is no alligator, means alligator signal is there because it's below red teeth only. But whereas now alligator is giving the signal, but whereas here there is a means clear cut, means what we can see here, this AC is not giving. Now we are getting the signal. AC we need to get the breakout. So AC is not crossover is not there, and AO also green. So hence we are not taking the trade. So here we can take that. Now I am taking the trade. I am taking the trade because here there is a red and here also red. So now we are in the almost we are in the this thing profit zone. So I am. You can see here. This is the area I am means we need to trial here. Because here already now I am exiting because this candle is red, it is green, it is happening. So hence I am exiting. So what we booked 4,000 something we have booked. So here actually what happened, AO also made the green and AC also made the green. That is why we have exited. Now we booked around 4,600 we booked. Now there is no signal here. You can see here there is no signal. AO and AC both are green. So we are not. We will going to take entry based on the AO and the AC, whether it is if it is making red only. We can now there is no confirmation it is there. So we are waiting patiently. We are waiting. You can see here now we are not getting. It is going against our this thing. So first trade itself we booked around 4,000 only, not much quantity, much amount. That's 4,000 only we booked. Now you see here there is no indicator support. Clear. We required clear indicator support both AC as well as AO. Both should be there. And anyway, alligator is there. Alligator it is below alligator only it is moving. Still alligator lip only it is moving. So now there is a chance of coming down because it is AC you can see 4 bar red already made, but AO not making red. AO continuously green. Then that too in the increasing mode it is going. That means it's a positive mode it is going. So now AC also made green. We cannot able to take the trade. Now we are just waiting. Again, now AC is red, AO is green, and that too in the up move, means increasing mode. Now still it is AC red, AO green only. This is the patience we'll have to keep it. When we are patiently we are waiting, definitely there is a good chance of making the money. So that is what just I want to show you in the replay mode. Patiently you have to see the full video also. Then only you can able to understand how we have taken the trade, how patiently we have waited. That you can able to understand. Actually here we can take the trade because this is already 4 red made. But if you are getting this side green, now we can take the trade. Now this is the signal already we got it. We have taken the trade. Now you can see, now we are in the profit. Actually, it has taken 20 lots. Actually, a double click. I made the double click. That is why it has taken 20 lots. Now I am changing the stop loss. You can see here. I am changing the stop loss to this area. This green. It is making a. I am changing the stop loss to the green. That means alligator lip. I am changing to alligator lip. This alligator lip only I am following now. Now you can see there are multiple red candle. So hence I am changing the stop loss to little closer. More than 5 red bars are there, na? Then that time we should get alert. You can see here. So there is a chance of, again I am changing to stop loss to top of this candle 79 I am putting. There's a chance because here this now stop loss got hit. So we booked here 28,000 we have booked here. So overall we have booked 28,000. Actually here what happened, here actually I made the double kick I think. So 20 lot it has taken. Otherwise this 28,000 would have been not made. We would have made around 15,000 we would have made. So anyway you can keep the this one. 20 lot the one 15,000 means 14,000 you got it because of the double lot. So here there is no further the direction changes there. So now we are not entering. You can see here. Now we are not entering. Now it is not in our favor. Hence we are not entering. Now time is around 12:45. Okay, so another 3 hours is there. So that we can able to how we are going to get further trade and all we will see. Here now again AC is supporting but AO is not supporting. AC, if it is in the above 0 line also, if it is continuous 3 bar red is there with AO below 0 red bar is there, then we can enter. Here there is still we are not getting the chance. Today actually almost almost in the sideway direction it was moved means much time. Then afterwards only some movement we got it. You see here, for the if you are patiently if you are waiting, definitely we can control our trade. It is going against our direction. In the same time, this actually now I am recording C. Here we got the opportunity in the P side that I will show you later. Because both the recording simultaneously it is not possible to do it because we are after market only we are doing that. Now I think C side there is no opportunity. Almost the closing side it has came. Here you can see here actually we for 10 lot here you can consider actually 28,978 minus you can 12,000 rupees you can put it. So around 16,000 rupees we booked in the we can see that you have booked in the 16,000 rupees you have booked. So based on the 10 lot, we have booked 16,000 rupees. So now I will show the replay in the PE side also. PE side you can see the replay. Now again replay will start it from the PE side. PE side what we can do it? We can do it actually. These are all the signals we are not getting now. So you will get a board also. So where the signal is we are getting that area we will show it. Sorry, I will show you here. Wherever we are getting the signal, you can see here. These are all the area. These are here we get the signal, but there is no breakout. Alligator, it's alligator top of the alligator. So here there is no signal. So here there is no signal. Signal we are getting afterwards. Here only we are getting the signal. From here onwards, around 12:45 onwards, we will made the replay mode. So here this 12:35 or 12:45 onwards, we will put the replay mode. So here there is no need to give because unnecessary time waste will be go. So now I am starting the replay. Now you can see here AOAC side. Both sides we required means AO also red bar required and AC also red bar required. Then only we should enter. The same time there should be a alligator breakout is also should be there. At least a minimum this candle should close below the red line. Below the red line means teeth. Below the red line the candle should close. Then only we will enter. Otherwise we will not enter. Here still candles are above the alligator only. If it is coming below the alligator means below red line teeth here. If it is coming this area around 152, it is coming in. It is closing. Now it is closing 153. It is closing below. But now we can take the entry. But here we can once this alligator this fractal has to break out. Here we can take it. Already breakout happen. So here we supposed to take it because here this candle this breakout already happened. Yes. Now it is going in our favor. So let us see how it is moving. Here actually we have taken the trade a little risky only because this alligator teeth is very close. Hence what we put, we can put the stop loss of around 161. If it is crossing 161, we will have to exit. So if it is going in our favor, then we can keep it. Or else 161 if it is going, then we can exit. Now it is here and there it is moving. What I will do it, I will change the stop loss to cost. I will change the stop loss to cost. If it is moving, okay. If it is not moving, then we will now we'll have to, yes. Now I am again I am changing the stop loss to near this by alligator lip. Alligator lip I am changing. It is moving in our direction. I am changing alligator lip. So you can see here there is a so again I am changing the alligator lip. I think here also made 20 lots actually. Here also we made 20 lots. I think there's a yes. It has hit the stop loss. Our alligator lip we put it. It has hit the stop loss and it came down. Yes, it has hit the stop loss because alligator lip, because since the movements are not there, then we thought of changing this thing. So that means we booked around 8,400 rupees. We booked. So if it is once again we are getting the chance. So once again we can enter. Actually here once again we are getting the chance, because you can see here both are, we need to take the chance. Here we are taking one more. Okay, it is taking 20 lot. Why it is taking 20 lot? I will have to see. Now AC is making green. Hence what we need to put the stop loss to cost here, cost. Yes, it is moved a big candle. If it is moving now, then we need to keep the stop loss very nearby. Again going, it is again going. Yes, it has got to hit. We put around 55,000 so far. So whenever it is a big candle is there, then immediately we have trial. We should not wait for that candle to keep, because it's that much we cannot able to sustain. That because you see here, this is now it is a AC got green. So this may get reversal also. So though we have booked, that is okay. It's some of the we cannot be able to capture entire top and bottom. Now you can see Evo also made the green. So hence we cannot able to take the chance. Whatever profit we got it, that we'll have to book it. Bus over. Here we booked 55,000, 55K. Here we booked, actually here also 20 lot, it took 20 lot. We can put 55K. And here also we can pick the 20 lot, we can put 28K. Plus 28K. Means 83K we booked. For 20 lot, if you see, for 20 lot, near about we required around 45 to 45 lakhs we required for 20 lot. Against 45 lakhs, if you got 83 means near about 2% we got it. Patiently we have waited, and patiently watched everything. So it gave the clear this thing. Entered two trade in the CE, and the same day we entered two trade in the PE. Total today we entered only four trade with 2%. Entered four trade, entered four trade around 2% profit booked. Entered four trade and around 4%, 2%.